Meet the latest generation of shearing performance, the Hydril 1815 WBSR-X Ram. The WBSR-X represents the latest generation in shearing performance and continues the Hydril legacy of shearing and sealing a wide range of cables, pipes, and casing when it is needed most. The novel blade design provides efficient shearing and significant reduction in shear force, allowing for reduced accumulator capacity, BSEE compliance, and the shearing of larger pipes. HMH has developed the X version to cut the most difficult pipes, meeting both operator challenges and current regulatory requirements. The WBSR-X can shear and seal on 14.15-inch casing at extreme temperatures, meets or exceeds API standards, and reliably shears pipe up to 16-inch diameters. It is a drop-in replacement for previous blind shear models that increases shear efficiency up to 30% with a patented integral block and a hardened NACE compliant cutting edge. Trust the HMH WBSR-X to shear and seal the toughest pipe when it is needed most. To learn how the WBSR-X can transform your shearing performance, contact your local HMH representative.